So we just did this box and whisker plot, and we're going to use our plot and our 5-number summary to find our, our interquartile range. So your interquartile range, or IQR, interquartile range. Okay, so we already talked about quartile, how it's like a quarter of something, right? Well, inter means between. So interquartile is going to be between quarters. So what we're looking for is the distance between quarter one and quarter 3. Okay, if you want to find the distance between them, the easiest way to do that is to subtract. Quarter 3 is 8 and quarter 1 is 3, so I want to subtract. So my interquartile range is 5. And you might say, why is that important? Who cares? Well, it describes our spread of values. Because what if I had a 1? Or I do have a 1. What if I had a 50 in here, right? Well, that's going to mess up my average. And my spread might look kind of weird if I just look at range. But my interquartile range says, oh, okay, most of our values fall right here. Okay? So if you look at let's look at our data. Oh, wrong one, sorry. So our data up here, if we look at our interquartile range, is between 8 and 3. So here and here, right? So now we know that 50% of our data falls between 4 and 7. 25 falls between 1 and 3. And 25% falls at 9. That weights 9 pretty high, right? So we could see this is 50% of our data. But each one of these, let's use a highlighter. It's green. Each one of these is that was weird. This is a quarter. This is a quarter. This is a quarter. This is a quarter. Okay. So if I were to ask you, where's the first 75% of our data, you could say between 1 and 7.